You just found the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.